Have you ever watched a movie and been mesmerized by its visuals? Sometimes we remember the beautiful shots even more than the dialogues. But have you ever wondered who creates those stunning visuals? Behind every unforgettable scene is a cinematographer, also called the director of photography. India has produced world renowned cinematographers such as P.C. Sriram, who known for visually iconic films like Nayakan, Mounaragam, Alaipaide, O Kadal Kanmani, and Parallel. His innovative lighting and camera work have inspired generations of filmmakers. Next, Santosh Shivan, Ravi Varman, Ravi K. Chandran, and K.V. Anand. Today, let's explore cinematography as a career in 2026 and understand why it is becoming one of the most exciting creative professions in India. Hello everyone, this is Priyanka B from Career Guidance India YouTube channel, and today we are going to discuss one of the most creative and technically advanced careers in the film and media industry, cinematography. Many students think that filmmaking is only about actors and directors, but the truth is, without a cinematographer, even the best story may fail to create an emotional impact. A cinematographer is a person who transforms a script into beautiful visuals using cameras, lighting, lens selection, camera movement, composition, color, and visual storytelling. So let's understand this career step by step. So, what is cinematography? It is the art and science of capturing the moving images. A cinematographer or director of photography decides how a scene should look, which camera should be used, which lens is suitable, how lighting should be arranged, camera angles, camera movements, mood, and atmosphere. They work closely with the director to bring the story to life visually. So, every visual you enjoy in movies, web series, OTT platforms, television, advertisements, music videos, documentaries, YouTube, and short films is created with the expertise of a cinematographer. Great cinematography can make a simple story unforgettable. So, what are all the high demand careers in cinematography? First one, director of photography. So, they lead the camera department and decide visual style, lighting, camera placement, lens selection, and shot composition. This is the highest creative role in cinematography. Second one, camera operator. They operate professional cameras during films, television shows, sports broadcast, documentaries, and live events. Third one, lightning cinematographer. Lightning specialists create natural lighting, dramatic lighting, night scenes, and studio lighting. Lightning is one of the most powerful storytelling tools. Fourth one, drone cinematographer. So they capture aerial shoots, landscapes, weddings, real estate, travel films, and action sequence. This is one of the fastest growing specialization. Fifth one, commercial cinematographer. They shoot advertisements, brand campaigns, product videos, and corporate films. Many commercial cinematographers works as a freelancers too. Sixth one, television and OTT cinematographer. With the rapid growth of streaming platforms, cinematographers are needed for web series, OTT originals, television serials, and reality shows. Seventh one, music video cinematographer. They create visually engaging music videos using creative lighting, camera movements, and visual effects. Eighth one, visual production cinematographer, one of the newest career options. They can work with LED volume stages, visual production, motion capture, and real time rendering. This field is expected to grow as filmmaking technologies are evolving. Research on AI assisted and virtual production also points towards increasing use of intelligent cinematography tools. Ninth one, digital content cinematography. Today's digital creators require professionals for YouTube, Instagram, brand films, educational videos, and podcast. This sector offers excellent freelance opportunity. Tenth one, which is last one, documentary cinematographer. They travel and capture wildlife, nature, social issues, travel documentaries, and historical films. So, after class 12, students can pursue diploma courses like Diploma in Cinematography, Diploma in Digital Filmmaking, Diploma in Photography and Cinematography. In undergraduate courses, they can study BSc Visual Communication, Bachelor of Filmmaking, BA Film Studies, BDes Film and Video Communication, B Vocational in Media Production. In postgraduate courses, they can study MA Filmmaking, MSc Cinematography, Masters in Digital Media, and Masters in Film Production. To become a successful cinematographer, you need creativity, storytelling ability, knowledge of cameras, lighting techniques, lens selection, color theory, visual composition, teamwork, patience, and problem solving. Professional cinematographers often use Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, Adobe After Effects, Final Cut Pro, Lightroom, and Photoshop. So, understanding color grading is an added advantage. A cinematographer should be familiar with cinema cameras, DSLR and mirrorless cameras, camera lenses, gimbals, drones, lighting equipment, sliders, dollies, cranes, and audio synchronization. So career opportunity exists in film industry, television channels, OTT platforms, advertising agencies, production houses, wedding cinematography companies, documentary studios, digital marketing agencies, YouTube production teams, and freelance film production. Many professionals also establish their own production companies. The demand for cinematographers in India during 2026 to 2035 is growing because more films are being produced, OTT platforms continue investing in original content, digital content creation is expanding, brand advertisements need high quality visuals, drone cinematography is becoming common, gaming, virtual production, and immersive media are creating new opportunities. AI may assist with planning or technical workflows, but creative decisions about framing, lighting, and storytelling still rely heavily on the skilled cinematographers. Future opportunities like virtual production, LED volume studios, AI assisted camera planning, drone cinematography, 8K production, high dynamic range HDR, cinematic content creation, short term digital films, and immersive and VR video. Professionals who combine artistic vision with technical expertise will have a strong advantage. So, here, income depends on skills, portfolio, experience, reputation, projects, and network. Beginners often start as a camera assistants or assistant cinematographers. Experienced cinematographers working in films, OTT platforms, advertisements, or major commercial projects can earn significantly higher incomes. Freelancers may also increase their earnings by working on multiple projects. Before choosing cinematography, it is not just about owning an expensive camera. Long shooting hours are common. Building a portfolio takes time. Networking and teamwork are very important. You must continuously learn new technologies and visual styles. So remember, your portfolio and practical skills matter much more than your marks. So, who should choose cinematography? Choose this career if you love photography and filmmaking, if you enjoy visual storytelling, if you are creative, if you like technology and cameras, if you enjoy working in teams, if you are patient and observant. So, finally, cinematography is where art meets technology. Every memorable film, advertisement, documentary, or web series depends on professionals who know how to tell stories through visuals. With India's rapidly growing film industries, OTT platforms, advertising sector, and digital content economy, cinematography will remain one of the most exciting and rewarding creative careers in 2026 and beyond. If you have passion, creativity, discipline, and a strong portfolio, you can build a successful career in this industry, just as legendary cinematographers like P.C. Sriram, who have inspired generations of filmmakers through their exceptional visual storytelling. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Career Guidance India by Priyanka B. Comment below and tell me which filmmaking or creative career you would like me to explain next. If you are confused about choosing the right course or career, you can find my career guidance form link in the description below. So let's move forward with clarity today and confidence tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.